Hey, I'm Jacob, founder of CeramicSpeed. CeramicSpeed bearings are handmade in Denmark from the finest quality components and special CeramicSpeed balls. Each product is designed to have the lowest friction possible and the longest lifetime. Today we're going to show you how to mount the products onto your bike step by step.
Mounting of CeramicSpeed Campagnolo Ultra Torque bottom brackets. You'll need the tools and equipment you can see here to carry out the job. Step 1. Demounting the original crank. Take the 10mm hex key and unscrew the bolt on the drive side. Remove the non-drive side crank arm, then remove the wave washer from the non-drive side cup. Remove the safety spring placed on the drive side cup and remove the chain. Now you can remove the crankset on the drive side. Check the thread type, which is usually noted on the cup. Take the cup tool and unscrew the cup. Unscrew the non-drive side cup. Now use the bearing puller to remove the bearing from the axle. Make sure that the protective cap from the bearing puller covers the axle diameter. Now you can easily remove the bearing and the crank seal from the axle. Remove the lock ring on the drive side. And use your bearing puller to remove the bearing from the axle. Again, make sure that the protective cap from your bearing puller covers the axle diameter. Remove the bearing and the crank seals and clean the axle on both sides. Now you're ready to mount your CeramicSpeed external Campagnolo Ultra Torque bottom bracket. The product is available in red and black with both Italian and BSA threads. The CeramicSpeed bearings are also available in a coated version with even lower friction and extreme longevity. Now mount the crank seal on the non-drive side and mount the CeramicSpeed bearing. Use the Campagnolo tool to push it gently into place, as you can see Jacob doing here. Spin the bearing and then add CeramicSpeed grease to the bearing. The amount of grease depends on your priority. Less grease means lower friction and shorter service intervals. More grease means a longer lifetime and slightly higher friction. Now insert the crank seals on the drive side and then mount the bearing. Use the Campagnolo tool to push it gently into place. Spin the bearing and add your CeramicSpeed grease. Again, less grease means lower friction and more regular service. More grease will give you a longer lifetime with slightly higher friction. Now mount the lock ring and use the Campagnolo tool to push it into place. Make sure that the thread in the frame is clean and that the sides of the BB are even. Add mounting paste to the thread and mount the cup. Mount the cup into the crank on the drive side. Use the cup tool and tighten it fully to the recommended torque of 35 Nm. and then mount the cup into the crank on the non-drive side. Use the cup tool to tighten it. Again, the recommended torque is 35 Newton meters. Now mount the drive side crank, press it into the cup and spin to check it's mounted correctly. Mount the wave washer on the non-drive side axle and press it into the cup. Take the 10mm hex key and tighten the bolt from the drive side. The recommended torque is 42 to 60 Newton meters. Spin the crank to check it's tightened correctly. When you've cycled approximately 100 km, you'll need to retighten the bolt. Remember to mount the safety spring on the bottom bracket after the crank's mounted. Now you just need to mount the chain and give your crank a final spin to check that everything's working perfectly. Now you've finished mounting your CeramicSpeed external bottom bracket.